Hello guys, it's me, Bobby. I'm back, and today I'm going to be showing and testing you guys out the new Jaclyn Hill lipsticks, the liquid lips that she came out with. Now I don't have huge lips, so I'm just showing you guys exactly what it looks like on somebody that hasn't gotten any lip fillers. Not yet, but just wait, I will someday. Not yet, but maybe someday. But I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how it looks like on somebody that has not gotten any lip fillers or anything like that. And even if you have lip fillers, whatever, do what you gotta do. It does not matter. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on me, and we'll get started with it. Let's go. Alrighty, now each of the lipsticks costs 20 bucks. I got 4 of the lipsticks and 2 of the lip liners. And the lip liners are 18 bucks each. So I got 2 of those, and then I got 4 of the lipsticks. Now, all of it put together was $116. That's how much I paid for it. $116. Plus the shipping, I can't remember how much it was. I think it was $126 or somewhere around there. Costed like 10 bucks or something. But we're gonna see what the colors are, how good the formula is, and yada yada. Now, I swatched them on my hand and it took me forever to get them off, so it just shows you how well they are when they stay on your lips. But the formula, Jaclyn Hill said that the formula is very light and very smooth and easy to put on, which I am very glad. So I am going to go ahead and get started with this. I'm going to show you guys what shades I got. Now typically I don't like super light shades, so I am just going to be showing you guys all the shades that I got. I like a little bit of a darker tones when it comes to lip glosses or lipsticks. So the lip liners, I got the shade, I thought it said cold brew, but it's bold brew. It's like this really dark shade. It's beautiful. I absolutely love colors like that. And I got the shade called Toasty. It's a little bit lighter than Bold Brew, but it's kind of the same a little bit. And the darkest shade in the lip collection that I got is called Feisty. Now Feisty is a lot like Bold Brew. Oh my gosh, I keep saying that. And then the other shade that I got is called Be Bold. The next one I got is I'm a Cancer. I don't know if you can definitely see that or not. I don't know. My camera is just deciding to just fuck me over today. So, alright, here's gratitude. It reminds me of that SpongeBob episode. Alrighty, so let's test out the lip liners first. I tried out one already, and that was Toasty. Let's go ahead and try out Be Bold. Bold Brew. Oh my gosh, I suck. Now this is what it exactly looks like. It's beautiful. Look at that. It says Jaclyn on the side. It's very pretty, and you can tell exactly from the end of what color you are definitely getting. And now, definitely take your time with these, because for someone like me, I'm good at the rest of my makeup on my face. When it comes to my lips, terrible at it. I don't know what's wrong with me. There's just something that in my brain is just not connecting very well when it comes to doing my lips. So, I don't know. I'm just gonna have to practice more. Like what I said, I am not the best at putting these on, so I'm not very good at that. Oh, I think I'm gonna try out Feisty first, because it does match to the lip liner. Ooh, it smells so good. This is what the applicator completely looks like. It's pretty long, and then it comes with this sleek black, pretty much kind of matte color. Plus, this is a really thin formula. And what I have noticed that it does dry down. It does take a long time to dry down. So I would not say just keep going back and forth with it. Go one, maybe blend it out with your finger. Ooh. Look at this shade, isn't it beautiful? I feel like it makes my skin a little bit more yellow, but that's okay because I'm olive tone. But I love it, it's so pretty. It's giving off like that 90s, like, oh, so pretty. Yes, it is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I got this color because I was like, you're gonna love it, Marie. You're gonna love it. And I knew I would. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, I'm back. I got it off. I tried getting off the lip liner. It just made my face a little bit brown, so that's okay. It'll come off within a few days if I use just a little bit a better cleansing balm instead of a tissue, some sort of what I used. So let's go again, and without the lip liner this time, I'm just gonna go with jump right into it. Now the next shade I'm going to be using is Be Bold. This is a shade above. This is a shade above Feisty, so it is still going to be a little bit dark, but not as dark as Feisty. So, okay, this is more on the orangey side. This is a really pretty shade. It is definitely more of a orangey. This is what's showing up on me. On the camera, it looks a little bit darker, but it definitely does look a little bit more orangey. I think it's really beautiful. It's definitely light. Now, I'm not a huge fan of wearing lipsticks, but she said it was really lightweight, and I wanted to take her on that. So this is one of those that I could. It's not super sticky either. This is one of those that I could definitely eat like a cheeseburger, and it probably wouldn't come off, and I probably wouldn't be able to feel it. See, that's my deal. Is that I don't like. It's like I don't want it to get all over my face because I am kind of a messy eater. I'm a woman, but I'm a messy eater, okay? I like to eat my food. So, in terms, it gets all over my face. So, this I feel like would be a very good stick for me. It's lightweight, so I wouldn't get scared that it would go all over my face. And it's, see, when you go, it's nice. Let's get on to the next lipstick. Alrighty, we have 2 more left before my lips fall off. Let's get into it. Now the next one I have is I'm a Cancer and Gratitude. I'm gonna go with Gratitude because it is one of the darker ones. So let's see what she looks like. I messed that up. Shoot. Oh well. We all can't be perfect. Oh my gosh, see, the camera just unfocused. It didn't want to see me all ugly. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love this shade so much. It's kind of yellowy. Let's get on to the second one. Alrighty, I am back, and the next shade I'm going to be doing is I'm a Cancer. It's a lot lighter than the other shades that I swatched for you. This is probably the lightest one, but this is actually the last one, and then I'll show you guys exactly Toasty look. Toasty is a beautiful shade. I absolutely love it. It is a lip liner. Toasty. She's a little bit dark. Very beautiful. Alright, I'll zoom you guys in. By the way, I did not mess up on my eyeliner right here. Right here. That is a mole that I cannot get rid of, so. Alright. Let's try and see if we can blend Miss Pretty on my Cancer. Trying to get a blender. Ooh, is she cute? I just got some on my tooth. Oh well. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go before my lips fall off. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I also want to thank all of you guys. I am at 64 subscribers, and I'm so thankful. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all you guys that subscribe to me. I just want to give you guys a little heart, or however you do it. There you go. Ooh. Love you guys. Bye.